Well, hello, and welcome to another episode of Talking About Knives with Dave. Today we're going to talk about this here Czech Republic Mikov or Mikov Predator. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Predator, I guess that's how you pronounce Predator. Anyways, when you open this box, on this flap it says Vi Stupny Controller 1, 16/8/2023. So this knife's about a year old. I got it about a year ago. I'm just opening it now for some reason. It's got a nice shiny belt clip there, stainless steel. These came in a variety of colors, yellow and red and blue and green, and they look like toys. But I got the white one because it looked more elegant. It looked more, I don't know, like a professional knife. Anyways, this thing comes out like a rocket. And when I had a choice of getting the dagger or the bayonet, I got the dagger because I like the dagger, not the bayonet. That's got to be in the top 5 of my collection as far as power coming out. It comes out with authority, as they say. Right there it says Mikov, stainless. Czech Republic. Check yourself. Don't wreck yourself in the Czech Republic. Now, there's not much more to say about this knife other than it feels real good in the hand, and it's a perfect size knife. I'm really happy with it. It reminds me of the AGA Kempeline Zero I have. Same kind of power coming out. If you don't have a Mikov Predator, or a Mikov Predator, a Mikov Predator, however you want to pronounce Predator, Predator, then you should get a Mikov Predator. Let's see how this thing measures up here. It's really, to me, the right size knife. It's 8.5 inches. Opened with a 4-inch blade. Well, there's not much else to do except stab Dada right in the gut. Or maybe get him in the nut. That's what's up. Can't believe his name's Dada. He was in the Ultraman series, one of the enemies of Ultraman. Anyways, that's a different show and a different channel. Until next show, Dada and Dave have got to go.